Hello, everyone. So let's get started. What is the title? The title is Fall is Here, right? What do you see on the cover page? What do you see? I see I see leaves. Very good. How many leaves do you see? Can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We see 10 leaves. And finally, what is this? What do you think this is? Let's go ahead and read our story. Here we go. It's here. Take a look outside. Fall is here. What do you see, everyone? What is this? And what do you see outside? I see two trees. Can you tell me what color the leaves are? What color are the leaves? What else do you see? What's behind the trees? Can you tell me what's behind the trees? Air is getting cooler. Fall is here. So what is here? Fall is here. Very good. What do you think the word cooler means? Let's look at our clothes. Who do you see? I see. And what are they wearing? Good, very good. And they are wearing that because it's a little bit colder, right? So we say that is cooler. Air is getting cooler. What else do you see? On this page, what color are the leaves? Can you count the falling leaves? How many leaves do you see? Great job. Very good. The leaves are changing colors. Fall is here. So what's changing colors? What are changing colors? Can you tell me what's changing colors? That's right. What colors do you see? What else change in fall? Can you tell me something else that changes? If you look at the picture, the tree goes sideways, the leaves are going everywhere. What kind of weather do you think it is? What's happening? What is making everything go to the left, go to the right, and going everywhere? Do you know what it is? And what season are we talking about? It's getting darker earlier. Fall is here. It's getting darker earlier. Earlier, what does earlier means? It means not late, right? So let's look at the clock. What time is it? What time? What else do you see? What do you see in this room? What do you see outside? The fruit is ripening. Fall is here. Fruit is ripening. What does ripening mean? It means we can eat it now, right? It has bloomed and grown into full fruit, so we can eat it. What fruit do you see? What color is it? How many fruits do you see? Many animals are busy gathering food. Fall is here. Many animals are busy gathering food. On this page, what animal do you see? And what is this animal gathering? How many of those do you see? What is the animal standing on top of? Do you know what this is? Tree, good. A wood stump, yes. And what is on it? How many leaves do you see? What other animals are busy gathering food? Can you tell me? Fall is here. Look at that. Look at this empty field. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut out these pictures, this trees, this animal. What animal is this? Good. And what fruit is this? And what nut is that? So you're going to cut these out and glue it on to this empty fall space and show me that fall is here. Let's go on to the workbook. All right, let's start our workbook and let's work with our fall words. So the first one, let's see, I hope you can see it. There we go. The first picture, let's look at the first picture. What color is it? It is a bit blue, right? So it's saying it's a bit, it's becoming cooler. It's the changing of the seasons, right? What do you think it is? It's a changing of the season. It's not necessarily fall. It's talking about, it's another word for cold. Do you remember? Cool. Very good. It is cool. Right here. Cool. Great job. The next one. Wow, these fruits looks ready. These fruits look like they are ready to eat. Do you remember what I said about calling a fruit this when it is ready to eat? Do you remember? Yes, it is ripe. Very good. Ripe. Let's connect it to ripe. Let's look at this leaf. This leaf is a little bit different. It has many different colors on it, right? So what is it doing? It is turning into that color, right? It goes from green, light green, to light red, to pinkish, orange, brownish, right? What is it doing? It is turning into that color. We call this change. Can you say change? Change. Very good. The next picture. What season is that? What season is that picture? Fall. Very good. It is fall right there. The next picture. In fall, this becomes cooler. It blows the leaves and the trees. What is this called? Air. Very good. It is air. So we're going to connect it there. And finally, what are these called? You know what these are called? These are called leaves. Great job. These are leaves. Let's go to the next page. Now let's fill in the missing letters. Here we go. So the first word, what is the first word, everyone? Fall. Very good. Now you can cut it out and glue them on, or you can write it out with your pencil. As you're writing, be sure to spell it out as you say it, okay? So here we go. Fall. F-A-L. You can get a thicker one. F-A-L-L. Ooh. Be sure to spell out the letters as you are writing. What's the next picture? Do you remember? Air. Good job. Let's spell air. A-I-R. What about the next picture? Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. Great job. What's the next word? Cool. C-O-O-L. Great job. What do we say when a fruit is ready to eat? Ripe. Ripe. R-I-P-E. And finally, when a color on a leaf is turning into something new, we say it is a change. Change. Spell it. C-H-A-N-G-E. Great job. To the next page. So here's a fall word search that you can do by yourself. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then you can do the rest by yourself. Here we go. I'm going to use the color orange for my highlighter. Here we go. Let's look for the word fall. In order to find the word fall, we have to look for the letter F. Look for the letter F, and oop, I found it. Here we go. F-A-L-L, fall. And I can cross that one out. Go ahead and try your best to find air, leaves, cool, ripe, and change. All right, so picture puzzle. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the puzzle out on the next page and glue the pieces inside the frame. You can cut out this picture right here. This picture, and you can go onto the previous page, excuse me, and glue it into the frame. And we're going to trace the title. So what is the title, everyone? Say it with me. The title is Nuts and Leaves. Nuts and Leaves. Can you spell it? Let's spell it together. N-U-T-S-A-N-D-L-E-A-V-E-S. Nuts and leaves. Great job. Very good. Now we are going to decorate our fall tree. We're going to cut the pictures that belong to the tree and paste them on the fall tree. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna cut the pictures that belong to fall and paste them on the fall tree. So we're gonna go to the next page, and you're going to cut these pictures out and tell me what belongs on the fall tree. What belongs in fall? And also we're going to glue on the fruits, the apples, that rhymes with fall. So let's look at this together. You can do this by yourself, but I'm going to help you out, okay? So a hot cup of tea or a hot cup of cocoa. The weather's getting cooler, so does this belong in fall? Yes. So you're going to cut it out and you're going to glue it onto the tree. What fruit is this? Apple, very good. Apple belongs to apple belongs in fall. It belongs on the fall tree. Cut it out and glue it on. What is this? This is a pear. Pear. The pear does belong on the fall tree, so you can glue that on. In fall, we can see a pumpkin. So try the rest by yourself. So for example, would we eat watermelon during the fall? No, I don't think so. Would we see an elephant during the fall? I don't think we would see elephants during fall, right? So for down here, we are going to cut out the words that rhymes with fall, and we're going to glue it onto the tree. So this one, I will help you out. Here we go. Fall, does it go to the tree? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Fall rhymes with call. So call goes onto the tree. Does smell rhyme with fall? Fall. Fall. Smell. Does smell rhyme with fall? No. What about till? Fall till? No. So these do not go on the tree. What about stall? Fall, call, stall? Yeah, they go on the tree, so put it on the tree. What about mill? Grill? Bell? Fall. Bell? Sell? No, they do not rhyme with fall, so they do not go on the tree. If it's a bit hard, if it's a bit difficult, be sure to ask help from your mom or dad. Let's go to the next page. We are going to count and compare. We're going to see who has more than or less than. So, and how we're going to do this is we're going to draw a line alligator. What is a line alligator? Well, if the left squirrel has more than the right squirrel, we're going to draw the alligator going to the right. Sorry, to the left. If the right squirrel has more than the left squirrel, then we're going to draw an alligator mouth going to the right. And if it's equal, we make an equal sign just like that. And it's all right here. So you can cut it out and glue it on, or you can just draw it on like me. I will help you out with the first 4 squirrels. So the first 2 pair. So here we go. Let's look at this squirrel and let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many acorns does this squirrel have? 3 acorns. Very good. What about the squirrel on the right? How many? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 acorns. So which one is more? 3 or 2? Which one is more? Which one has a lot? 3 acorns. So draw the alligator mouth going that way. So the left squirrel has more than the right squirrel. All right, here we go. What about this one? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many acorns? 5 acorns. Great job. What about the squirrel on the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Very good. How many acorns? 7 acorns. So, who has more? So this is going to be less than, because 7 is more than 5, right? So 5 is less than 7. So we would read these numbers like that. We would say 3 is more than 2, 5 is less than 7. And try the rest by yourself. If they're both the same, you're going to use the equal sign like that. And they are equal. Let's go to the next page. I'm going to help you out with the first 2 rows. So here we go. Same or different. We're going to find the item that is different on each line. This is easy, right? Here we go. Where is it? Right here. That's a porcupine, not a fox, right? What about the second one? Which one is different? Right here. This one is different, right? Try the next rows by yourself. Good job. You are doing so great. Find the hidden pictures. Can you find the hidden pictures? And what do they spell out? So I'm going to help you with all of these here. The first one, what is that? It's a frog. Great job. Where's the frog? Good. Here's the frog. Can you find the acorn? I found the acorn. Acorn is right here. Do you see the lemon? Ooh, that was confusing. Here's the lemon. Where's the lamp? Here is the lamp. Great job. And if we write it out, frog starts with the letter F. Good. What about acorn? What letter does acorn start with? A. Very good. What about lemon? L. Lamp. L. And this spells out fall. Great job. Let's go on to the next page. So here we go. You're going to find and graph the items, then answer the question. I'm going to do one with you, and you're going to try the best. You're going to try the rest by yourself. All right, let's count and see how many squirrels with the acorn are. And I'm going to use the color gray. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 squirrels with the acorn. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Gonna color that in like that. Colored in 9 boxes, right? So try the rest by yourself and tell me, what item did you find the most of? How many items are which item has the most amount, has the biggest number? Which item did you find the least of? Which item has the smallest number? Try the graph out and show me. All right, let's try the pattern. So here we go. What you're going to do here is try to figure out the pattern. So for the first one, we're going to have to work backwards. Let's work backwards. Red leaf, hot cocoa, book. Red leaf, hot cocoa. What's next? Book. Very good. Great job. What about this one? So the book is going to go here. Fox, pumpkin, blank, pumpkin, fox, pumpkin. So what goes in here, everyone? Fox. Very good. Great job. Try the rest by yourself. You got this. You're doing such a great job. And here you are going to color in the apple. You're going to find in the rhyming words. And here we go. Oh, this is where I got it wrong. Sorry, I thought this was coloring in. It is not. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to this page and you're going to cut it all out. You're going to cut all these apples out and glue it on to the right one onto the tree, whatever it rhymes with. Do the maze. This is a squirrel maze for you to find your way in and out. You can do this by yourself. Here, I'll help you with this one. We're going to find the correct shape and color. So What is this called? This is called a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Hexagon. Very good. Cut it out and match it to the correct leaf. What about this one? Circle. Great job. Can you say it again? Circle. What shape is this? This is square. One more time. Square. Very good. What is this? This is pentagon. Pentagon. Great job. What about this one? Triangle. Very good. It is a triangle. And this one is trapezoid. Trapezoid. One more time. Trapezoid. Be sure to cut it out and fill it into the leaves. Fill it into the correct leaves. There you go. Here's your squirrel craft. So here's your squirrel. What do you think goes in there? An acorn. Very good. So you can decorate your acorn. You can color it in. You can write your favorite thing about fall in these acorns and cut it out and glue it onto your squirrel right here. And here are the 2 worksheets that you can fill out with your mom, dad, friends, or family. And that ends week 1 of Fall is Here. Great job, everyone.